Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in like fireworks overlay on CapCut PC. I'm actually just going to use this video again, or actually let's use this video. I'm also going to adjust the video here first to just make it a little bit darker than it is. I mean, you don't have to, you can just use like a dark video for this, but it's going to make it just a tad bit darker. Go to media and go to library and select New Year's Eve celebration, not resolution. And you're just going to select the fireworks that you want to add and put it on top of the video. Go back to video, so select this arrow, go to video, go to basic, and select the bright and blend mode. You can like move it like here to the sky, for instance. If you want it to be there, you can just like move it around. You can do it with all of the overlays, but just make sure you select the bright and blend mode or the screen one. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!